indulgers! Welcome to Indulgewithiti. If it's your first time here, my name is Iti Dal and I make food and lifestyle videos every single week for your viewing pleasure. This week I'm very excited to showcase these awesome goods from Ghana, West Africa. These goods have made the long journey all the way from Ghana to Melbourne, Australia. All of these finished food products are owned by Ghanaians and made in Ghana. So before we get into this unboxing, I would love to thank all the businesses who collaborated with me to make this video possible. Thank you all for providing a wonderful customer service experience and of course for your generosity. Many of these businesses did indeed gift these products to me for free and have also committed to providing some goods for a giveaway for my lovely indulgers. So stay tuned until the end of this video for those details. So with much excitement, let's get into this unboxing. As soon as the idea to film this video was born, I hit Google, Facebook and Instagram to look for finished food products from Ghana. I would not consider myself a stranger to the Ghanaian food industry. On a daily basis as I scroll through my Instagram feed, I come across a few products here and there. However, when I actively decided to search for these goods, the results were both overwhelming and exciting to say the least. Often the narrative is that African nations rely heavily on the importation of finished products, and a lot is to be desired where the exportation is concerned. I think it's fair to say that this narrative is fast changing. It's truly an exciting time, guys. African food products are enjoyed across the globe and are steadily competing in the world market. If only it were possible, I would have tried all the goods that I came across. But for today, I'll be unboxing goods from 5 brands that truly caught my eye. The first brand that we have here is Bioko Treats. I first came across Bioko Treats while watching Wode Maya's video on YouTube. In that particular video, Wode Maya pays the founder of Bioko Treats, Jean Donko, a visit. I found Jean's story to be very captivating. She had reached retirement age while living in the West and still took a chance at entrepreneurship in Ghana. All of Bioko Treats chocolates are beautifully handcrafted and made with Ghanaian cocoa. The second brand is Zacky Foods Processing, the makers of Asali Cocoa and Kose Mix. This brand does a wonderful job at simplifying Hausa cocoa and Kose without compromising the taste. Zacky Food Processing has been featured on BBC Hausa and has recently launched 2 new products. And one of you will be taking home these 2 new products in the giveaway. Another brand that you should know about is Yamasi Naturals. Yamasi Naturals makes Yamisi Sobolo Mix and Yamisi Sobolo Tea. Now this is innovation. Both of these products are already made and ready to go. You just add them to hot water and brew away. Enjoy your Sobolo juices and your hibiscus tea. Here we have Savannah Foods. Savannah Foods stocks most of the ingredients that are needed for northern Ghanaian cooking. They have products ranging from dadawa or dawa powder to egusi powder, chili flakes and dried okra. The packaging is very attractive. All the products are well sealed and contained to maintain freshness. Savannah Foods are available at various store locations. You can also order from them on Facebook or through their Instagram account. Now last but not least is Suri Spices. Suri Spices offers a variety of spice blends that will remind you of your grandmother's cooking. They've got the kelewele spices, the shito spices, your kebab powder and your chicken spices. I look forward to cooking with these spices and dropping some delicious recipes your way. If you are interested in giving any of these products a try, I'm going to drop the links to their socials in the description bar below. Now it's time to get into the most exciting part of this video. But before I get into the details of this giveaway, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel, who has watched my videos, shared them and commented. You guys are amazing, and with your help, this past year has been a year of growth. Thank you for your continuous support, and in my own little way, I'd like to give back to you all. I recognize that I have indulgers all around the world. However, charity does begin at home, and for this reason, this giveaway, being my first, is going to be open to Ghanaian indulgers. But please watch this space. I do have something special lined up for my Australian indulgers, and hopefully in the not so distant future, something for my international viewers as well. So to participate in this giveaway, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel and following me on Instagram. The winner will be announced at the end of the week on all socials. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed week, and until we meet again, stay blessed and stay healthy. Goodbye.